This is Fabio. Fabio is a stray, so we really don't know anything about him. He's kind of shy, so you have to go slow with him when you meet him. If you'd like to meet him, though, come on down to the Humane Society. This is Bam Bam. Bam Bam is a 5-year-old miniature schnauzer. He got brought in because his owners didn't have time for him anymore. So if you would like to meet Bam Bam, come on down to the shelter. Hey, this is Corky. Corky is a 5.5-year-old Chihuahua. Corky was brought in because he was not good with the kids that they had in his former house. She loves to snuggle and she loves to go for walks. If you'd like to meet her, come on down to the Humane Society. This is Lucky. Lucky is a brown and black Chihuahua. He is 3 years old. He loves to snuggle. He's super mild-mannered. He has not been around kids before, so if you have kids in your family, you might want to come meet him first. He's had all of his shots and he is neutered. If you'd like to meet Lucky, come on into the shelter.